Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys a DIY video, and it is a fall DIY video, and I am so excited about it. I told you guys I'm getting ready to kick off my fall season, and I am super stoked. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to end so that you can see how all of these fabulous DIY projects turned out.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Okay guys, so my first project is going to be this awesome wood basket wreath situation that I have going on. Y'all, this is probably one of my favorite wood projects or crafts that I have done this year so far. I just love the way that this piece turned out. I was trying to figure out how I'm going to do this, what I'm going to do. The basket just was not staying put. I used the Gorilla Glue, and for some reason it just was not sticking. So I had to get some baby wipes and wipe down the board, the piece of wood, and then I had to go for my trusty handy dandy wood, my trusty handy dandy glue gun. Can I get that out? And just glue the basket down to the piece of wood, and that seemed to hold really well. But I still went back and reinforced it, which you'll see me hammering it in. I reinforced it with some nails so that it won't move, it won't fall once I get it put up where I needed it to be. But I love the way that this project turned out. I just placed this greenery on top of it, and then you'll see I'm just going to put like a little white pumpkin in the middle, and that's it. My color scheme for the fall is neutral tones. I wanted to do neutral tones this year. I'm not going to go too much into the green, the blues and the oranges and all that this year, but I wanted inside of my home to be all neutral tones because I didn't want it to be busy and just chaotic with all the colors. So I feel like with this project I can use it for every season, and just kind of interchange the pumpkins with like a sunflower, or for the summer, or like a Christmas ornament for the Christmas season. So that's basically what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to be like interchangeable, and I love this idea of interchanging your DIYs. Actually, my girl Tam, who's a part of this awesome collab, actually came up with interchangeable DIYs, and I just thought that was so clever. So I wanted to make this piece interchangeable as well. So I hope that you guys are liking the video so far, and yeah, I'll just keep jumping back in.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me?
Today I am participating in the What Would You Do collab, and it is hosted by my good friend here on YouTube, Jenny from Lovely Moments Creating. She has asked us to create some DIYs made out of wood, and y'all know I love that because I love working with wood. So I'm super excited about this collab today. So participating in this collab is DIY with Amber, Lovely Moments Creating, of course she's our host, Blondie next door, myself, All Things Shushana, my girl Tam from Love My Babies Forever, and Jeter's Blessings. So make sure you guys go ahead, check out all of their channels. It will be linked down below in my description box, as well as the playlist. Make sure you add your videos as well so that we can all join in together and binge watch this awesome collab. Jenny, I want to thank you so much for including me a part of this wonderful collab. I am super grateful and so excited to be working with this fabulous group of ladies. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get back into DIY number 2. So for DIY number 2, I am going to be creating a harvest sign. You guys, I have seen these signs all over. I've seen them on Pinterest. I've seen them in Hobby Lobby. I've seen them all over and wanted to always make this sign. And so today I get the opportunity to do that. And I just have some stencils that I purchased from Walmart ways back. And I just cut out the letters that I needed. And I'm just going to go ahead and stencil on the letters with my stencil brush and my paint. And you guys, this project was so simple and easy. By the way, I just want to let you guys know I did not purchase anything for any of these projects. I already had all this supplies on hand, and I just went ahead and just searched my home, shop my home, and found a bunch of different things. Of course, I am a woodworker, so I always have wood laying around my home. So this is what the layout of the harvest sign is going to be, and I am so excited, y'all. The way that it turned out was way better than I could even expect. So um, I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. And if you are new here to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe and double tap that bell. Make sure you hit that bell twice and press the all notification button, not the personalized button, but the all notification button. Because what happens is when you press the personalized button, you won't get any of my notifications. But when you press the all notifications button, you get every single video notification that I upload. So thank you guys so much for being a part of my family here. I am so excited, and this is the way that it turned out. I can't wait for y'all to see how I put it all together and how it's all going to look. I'm so excited about it.
Would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is my last and final project number 3, and I am going to be making a centerpiece, a false centerpiece from this wooden toolbox kit looking thing. And I love the way that this turned out. I am just going to be using some pumpkins, some greenery, and some white florals as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy this project.
Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me?
Okay guys, so now this is the fun part. I get to put it all together and show you how I'm going to be decorating my foyer console table for the fall season. I love the way that these projects turn out, and they kind of just elevate my background of my foyer and just add that fall touch. Of course, I'm going to be adding some more things to it, but I just love the way that it's starting out. I love all the whites and the neutral tones and the natural wood. I love the way that the harvest sign turned out. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about this project. Well, all three projects, and also the decorating part of it. And if you like the style of DIY videos, also let me know as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. And double tap that bell, press that bell twice so that you get all of my notifications. Jenny, I want to thank you so much for allowing me to participate in this wonderful collaboration. Make sure y'all check down in the description box for all of the participants' channel links and Jenny's channel link as well. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe and double tap the bells for their videos, because you guys, these are some talented women. I'm telling y'all, some of y'all are already subscribed to them, so you guys know what I'm talking about. But this is the end result, and I just love it so much. Let me know what you guys think about it. Also, let me know where you are watching from and introduce yourself to me down in the comment section, because I would love to get to know you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.